Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. This is Zig the programming guy. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fix eye icon missing on TikTok. So if you haven't gotten this profile view history option right here, I'm going to show you exactly what I did before I got it. So let's get started. Now the first step you have to take is to go away from your TikTok app, and now we are going to go to our phone settings. So just go ahead and open your phone settings, and once you're on your phone settings, scroll down and go to app management. I want to right here on app management, go to app settings, and what we are going to do right now is to search for our TikTok app. All right, here's it. So I'm going to open my TikTok app here, and I'm going to go to my storage and cache. So what I'm going to do now is to clear cache. I'm going to click on this clear cache, and then after clicking on that, then you have to go away from your TikTok app and go to your play. Okay, before going to your Play Store, you have to uninstall your TikTok app. Now I'm just going to click and hold on it, and I'll find the option to uninstall right here. So once you uninstall your TikTok app, the next thing you have to do is to go to Play Store and reinstall your TikTok app. And I bet you're going to get these profile view history or that eye icon on your TikTok app the next day. Okay guys, so this is how you can fix eye icon missing on TikTok. Hope this tip is helpful to you. If it is, give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.